This is laboratory Willey meal, which is manufactured by Precious Techno Engineering. It is a type of laboratory grinder which is sometimes referred to as Arthur Thomas type because it is invented by Thomas Arthur in 1901. It is fabricated according to his principles. This is motor of 1/4 HP for grinding the laboratory samples. It is basically used in agriculture, soil science laboratories and food manufacturing and chemical analysis. Now let me talk about the construction. In construction, there is a simple device. This is basically a motor of Godrej that is 1/4 HP and is connected to a pulley belt mechanism which rotates the shaft. Now I'll show you the chamber. This is stainless steel blades. These are two blades and this is a rotatory disc which cut the samples into a smaller aggregates into the powder forms. Okay, these are the accessories. These are some jars which is providing with this Willey meal, and this is a hopper for putting the samples, keeping the samples into the jar. Now I'll show you the procedure how to operate it. Okay. These are some sieves. After completing the grinding part, we found this 20 mash powder. Now this is the talcum powder of a sugar. You can see clearly there is a powder. If you want to know any technical and financial details about this laboratory Willey mill, please follow the link, and if you like our video, please follow, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.